Hi, in this video, I will show how to use my program to download the derivative data from SGX website. We open the SGX website, we'll see this date's data available for download. After download, each date will create a folder. Then inside each date's folder, we will have this data being saved. Beside these dates listed on the website, my program also able to download the older dates data. In this example, I have downloaded the March 20, February 26, and January 5, and even last year's data. So let's get started for the program. First, we just put this Python file into any folder that we want to download all these files. Before we start, in order for the program to run properly, we need to install some packages. These packages are PyQt4, BS4, and TQDM. I have listed these packages in the instruction file. After we install these packages, and we can start the program. So we cd to the folder this. Yeah, and we start the program by typing Python. Yeah. After we hit enter, the program will take a few seconds to load this web page. I provide a few options for user to start the download. Option A is to download the most recent date's data. In this case, the most recent date listed here is April 5th. So after I enter A, hit enter, it will download the April 5th data for me. You can see from here, from the output, I implemented a status bar for the download progress. So you will have some visualization on the progress of the download. After the download finish, you go to the same folder as the program. You will see a new folder is being created, which is April 5th. Then inside the folder, we will have this file being downloaded. Then after the download is finished, the program will not exit. It will display the user options again. So for the next, we were going to explore the option B. Option B is to download a specific date's data. Let's say I want to download the April 2nd data. Then I enter B. Then it will ask me to enter the date for downloading. Then I enter 2018 0402. Then you will download the data for me. So after download finish, I will have the April 2nd data. Let's say for section B, I also implemented a feature that allow user to download the data from the older date, which is not here. So let's say I'm interested to download the data from March 5th. So I hit B, then I enter the March 5th. Then the program will check whether the download is available. If the download is available, it will download for me. So you will see March 5th data is here. For the historical data, actually not all the dates data are available for download. We look at the table here. Actually, the April 1st data is not available for download. If I enter the April 1st data, April 1st to start the download, the program will actually check the date whether whether the data is available for download. So you will see from the output here, we cannot find the valid URL for download. so the download will not started. So this is option B. For option C, you will download all the data listed on the SGX. In this case, you will download from the March 31st to April 5th. So we enter C, we enter, you will download all the data. Yep. So you will see from here, all these data have been downloaded. In the requirement for the recovery plan should be considered also. Let's say for this downloaded folder, if any file is missing, let's say I deleted all this file from the April 2nd and delete a certain file from here, then delete another file from any folder, then actually the option C has a hidden feature that it will automatically scan through this folder, the available folder, to check whether all these files are there. If the file is missing, then it will download for me. So if I hit enter C again, it will actually re-download this file. So you will see that all the files have been downloaded. Yeah. And also the you can the log file is being implemented with this program. So the log file is named as a date for today .log. So you can open from here. You will see the error message. You will see previously we entered the April 1st data for download, but we cannot find the URL for that date. So it will output the error message there. So if for the last option D, if we after we finish all the download, then we can hit D to exit the program. Yeah, that's all about the program.